How to stop showing last scene. Yes, today we are going to letting you know that how you can stop showing last scene on your WhatsApp. Many times you see that many friends last scene shows to you whenever the friends were online on the WhatsApp. But if you don't want to share your status about that whenever you was online, then how you can stop that? First of all, don't forget to like this channel and don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel by subscribing from subscribe button. After that you have to click on that WhatsApp icon, and after that you have to choose from over here. You will see three dots, then click on these dots and go to settings. From settings you have to choose account, and when you click on account you will see these type of option. From these type of option you have to choose privacy. Whenever you click on privacy you will see an option like that last scene. You see that under last scene you are seeing that an option with everyone. You have to click on this, and after that you click on this, you will see these type of option. From these type of option, if you want to tell everyone you was last seen whenever time, then click on last everyone. If you want to tell your contacts about that, then click on your contacts, that you want to tell your contacts only that whenever you was online. If you don't want to tell anybody, then click on nobody, and after that nobody will be able to see whenever you was online. I think you understand. Click on last scene and you will be able to find these options. From choose nobody, and then nobody will be able to see whenever you was online and whenever you was last seen online. If you understand, don't forget to like, share, and that's it. Be with us, keep learning, don't forget to subscribe.